Ang Itbulaga ay handog sa inyo ng PLDT MyDSL Triple Play Service going on nationwide overdrive. Enjoy unlimited DSL plus landline and watchpad for as low as 990. Now with 15,000 available DSL lines in Pampanga. Mag-switch na sa PLDT MyDSL ngayon.
Master Control, all the Bebots ready. Precious Paula, you're on.
Everybody pump it up!
My name is Bianca Gwendolyn Balatbat.
Hari of the Predator.
As Antoinette Helen Gabonga.
Charmaine Fiona Kong Azar. Ano ang mas...
Can I call my interpreter?
Ano yung interpreter
sorry.
ka? Asang universe ka ba galing?
Alien yan eh. Cute talaga ako nung bata ako.
Ano nangyari?
Madalas lang nakukurot yung pisngi ko.
Our Bebot 2006 winner is candidate number one. Number one.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. Ain't got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. Hey. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
I know you feel where I'm coming from. Regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On the carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase curse, living in the summer sun. This is how I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I end up with none. There's so much nonsense in my conscience. I was thinking I should let you know. Maybe I don't want a gun thing. And I was wondering, is there something I want to know?
That you wanna know.
Never mind that, we should let it go.
We should let it go.
I don't wanna be in TV episode.
TV episode.
Everything bad, we should let it go.
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 Go. Beautiful girls all over the world. I can't be chasing, but my time would be wasting. They got nothing on you, baby.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, baby.
Nothing on you.
They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby.
Shake it, bon bon, 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 shake it, bon bon. Hola amiga, hola amiga. You're my temple of desire. Hola amiga, hola amiga. Let my spirit take you higher. Shake your bum bum, baby. Shake your bum bum, baby.
Un, dos, tres, un pasito para adelante, María. Un, dos, tres, un pasito para atrás.
She's into superstitions, like cats and voodoo dolls. I feel a premonition that girl's gonna make me fall. She'll make you take your clothes off and go dancing in the rain. She'll make you live her crazy life, but she'll take away your pain like a bullet to your brain. Come on, upside, inside out. She's living la vida loca. She'll push and pull you down. Living la vida loca. Her lips are devil red, and her skin's the color mocha. She will wear you out. Living la vida loca. Come on. Living la vida loca. Come on. Living la vida loca.
Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, never too far do it, Derek, wanna lick it.
This poor, unfortunate soul.
The one I would love to catch, I'm sorry, Pia, si Bossing.
To sa kagubatan, meron akong kasamang lalaki.
Aba,
Sobrang sweet namin,
Uy.
tabi kami natutulog.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi niyo po natatanong na maswerte raw ang merong ginintuang pusa.
Oo, kaso pampabaho naman sa lugar ko eh.
Bebot is Sherilyn Mercado!
Smells good to me. Show me your armpit. Ikaw ang pinakamaganda.
To the point, I don't pop my cork for every man I see.
Our Bebot 2007 is candidate number 4, Alma Mother.
Alma Mater is our Bebot 2007.
Now, Eat Bulaga proudly presents to all Dabarkads, the candidates of Bini-Bini ng Eat Bulaga on television. Bebot! Come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, eto na ang first candidate at eredera ng Corona. Pang international ang beauty, German, American, and Pinay pa. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Baroness the Goddess.
Gee, my beauty spell's terrific. My name is Baron de Goddess. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan. Kapag maikli ang kumot, nasa ibang kama po kayo.
Nakakaloka! Huwag niyo akong niloloko dahil ang talent ko ang next Bebot at siya na ang magiging Bebot 2010. Get ready para ma-starstruck kay Roka Roka na cool!
Bituin, nagniningning sa kalangitan. Kaya ito na sa inyong harapan. Roka-roka na ako here. For me, beauty is not in the eye of the beholder. It's in the eye of the tiger.
This is it! This is the moment of Shivakar to win the Bebot crown! Hindi na kailangan ng installment. Ito na! Buong-buo ang gandahan ni Shivakar. The princess from Bollywood, Boom Boom Bay!
Hi, my name is Shavakler Boom Boom Bai, and I believe. Shh, quiet. I believe in 2 gives. 2 gives, 3 gives, 4 gives, 5, 6 gives.
Ganda na ba ang tawag nyo sa mga nauna? Pakakatandaan, Paolo ang unang-unang naging bebot. At inyo ring tandaan, sa araw na ito, Paolo din ang mananalong bebot. History will repeat itself. The one and only beauty of Paulina Alam niyo po ba?
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na ang taong hindi marunong lumingon sa pinaroroonan, malamang natulala sa aking kagandahan.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You know me and I know you. My name is Chairman Fiona Kong, Puro Kurikong. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen? My talent, my angel, walang kasawa-sawa, walang kadala-dala. Blacky Lou Blanco.
goodness. Hey, stay, sit. Hey, oh my goodness. Hey, please give me the crown. I beg you. I don't know what to do anymore. I've been bleaching for almost 101 days now, so look at me. I'm a 101 Dalmatian look. Harp, harp. You know. Hey, everybody. I will never say die because there's a saying, patience is a virtual. So I converted this in Tagalog. Ang umaayaw ay hindi nagwawagi. Pero pag ako hindi pa nagwagi, away na to!
Everybody wanna talk this. Once you put it on blog, rocking like this my job. We can help that we popular. All these folks want to talk to us. Come to a show and just rock with us. A million plus with binoculars. I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee. I'm a bee living that good life. I'm a bee living that good. I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee. I'm a bee living that good life. I'm a bee living that good. Bad boy, bad boy.
Welcome to Bebot 2010! Grabe, Alan, ito na naman. Nakakababae na naman itong mga lalaking ito.
Coronation Day na kasi ng Bebot 2010. Malalaman natin kung sino sa mga candidates natin ang tatanghaling binibini ng Eat Bulaga on television.
Tama, matagal na naganda mga bebot at ang kanilang Damer Gods managers mula magpili ng gown, mga sapatos kagaya nito, at talent sa maliit na detalye gaya ng pag-ahit ng balbas, pagpapawax ng katawan.
Aray ko!
Ay nako, lahat yan. Lahat talaga yung pinagdaanan ng ating mga bebot.
Talagang pinaghandaan nila to. Lahat talaga sinapit nila. Sakit, pag-aaray,
Mismo!
pagpapatanggal ng mga buhok. Kaya abangan nyo kung sino ang susunod na mag-uuwi ng Bebot Crown. Gaya ni na Precious Paula at ang ating reigning Bebot na medyo mangiyak-ngiyak na po, si Alma Mother.
Re-relinquish ng kanyang crown.
Ito naman ang isa nyo pang aabangan. Ang paboritong laro ng bayan na mas pinadali na, mas pina-espesyal pa dahil birthday lang naman ng Dabarkas sa ating si Ryan.
Thank you, guys.
Pinoy Henyo, abangan nyo yan mamaya.
Oo, naku, ang dami-dami nating sorpresa para sa inyong lahat today. At maya-maya lang may hahakot na Dabar Gods dito sa studio ng Cash na pwede nyo ring mapanalunan.
Pwede bang ako yung mag-akot? Pwede bang ako yung mag-akot? Uwi ko na lang din.
Hindi pwede.
Masyado ka ng bueno, mano. Eto ang maganda dyan. Ha, pwede niyong mapanalunan yan kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. At dadagdagan pa namin yan ng winners ng napakadaming groceries. At may gadgets pa. Kita niyo yung mga groceries na yan?
Dami nga, oh!
Nako. Hanggang Pasko na yan, aabot yan.
Kasama ba yung tindera?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi. Yung mga tindera.
Tinderas not included.
At hindi lang yan, guys. Meron
Ano
pa
mga
tayo.
gadgets mo ba?
Eto, girl, meron pang gadget.
Ano nga yung mga yan?
Camera.
Girl talaga.
Girl! Camera. Eto pa, cellphone. Eto, matindi, Nintendo DS.
Wow!
Oy!
At makukuha nyo yan sa pagte-text lang. Pwedeng kayo na ang magwagi.
Yeah, ganyan kasaya ngayong Sabado gaya ng sayang dala ng PLDT My DSL dahil may over 500,000 DSL lines available nationwide.
Wow!
Hindi lang yan, Rai. Alam mo yung speedster bus na sinakyan natin?
Yan.
Yung totally wired speedster
Yep.
bus. Nako, una yung nakita yan dito sa Eat Bulaga. Pupunta yan mamaya sa Angeles City, Pampanga.
Patingin!
Chicken out.
Ayan, oh.
Ayan, oh.
Ayan
Alam mo,
yung
Alan,
bus.
may
Oh.
internet sa loob ng bus na yan. Tapos, kung wala ka pang PLDT MyDSL, pwede ka magparehistro at mag-apply dyan sa
Ay,
loob.
iba yan.
Para siyang mobile office.
Ibang case.
At bit-bit ng speedster bus na yan ang ilang EBW barkads natin. Kaya mga kabalan natin sa Pampanga, maki-overdrive na rin kayo at mag-apply na ng non-stop internet, talagang going beyond broadband ang experience sa PLDT MyDSL.
Sa pagbabalik namin, mas marami pang non-stop tuwat saya ang naghihintay dito sa Coronation Day ng Bebot 2010 sa Eat Bulaga!
Ang bahagi ito ay hatid sa inyo ng PLDT Mighty SL